Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DMHI. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. First off, I just want to say that this chart is the exact reason why you never just want to believe a press release right off the beginning. Let the chart do the talking, let the chart do the walking. Case in point, let's first pull up the daily chart. You can see here fresh ticker, and out of the, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, if you want to count that, out of the 7 days trading, all but 2 have been red, and today was just nasty. Press release out this morning, and you can see just massive volume and massive dumping. So just if you want to know what an ugly chart looks like, this is it right here. But what I want to do is pull up the 60-minute chart because I've had questions and everything on it, and it does present an interesting case. But with that being said, the disclaimer would have to be definitely use trading rules and be disciplined with stop losses and so forth. But we have a potential setup here where it could bounce. You can see right there that final hour of the day did produce some green. But something like this, you can see with the history of selling, you got to just be extra careful with it. But if they are done selling, then who knows how high it'll bounce. But sometimes that's a pretty big if, so keep that in mind. So what I want to just point out here is just draw a little pattern here that we have. And this is what is known in the technical analysis world as a falling wedge. And you would think with the name falling that would be a bearish pattern, but actually it's the opposite of that. It's a bullish pattern, whereas a rising wedge would actually be bearish. So we have a falling wedge here, and basically in a nutshell what this means is you can see by this support line it is showing that the rate of selling is slowing down. Now it's not done, but the rate is slowing down, which is what allows you to draw this trend line at that angle. Now just one more time, I'm not saying that the key point is it's slowing down, it hasn't stopped. So that's keep that in mind. You can see even in the last hour it did put in a new low. So while the rate is slowing, it's not stopping. However, it is presenting and slowing down. So the question really becomes, is it slowing down to the point where it's going to stop and then be able to start to bounce? And you can see that last hour, nice little hammer candle and green action. Still work to be done, but like I said, it presents an interesting case. If it does bounce, then I could see it potentially going up as high as 6 cents. But first got to get through that trend line there. Being we're below nickel right now, even from 3 to 4 cents would be a nice little percentage move. So that's one way to look at it. But definitely, if you do decide to enter in on this chart pattern here, use your trading rules, be disciplined, and use those stop losses. But if things are truly slowing down and it does stop going into the rest of this week, like I said, 6 cents would not surprise me in the least. But we will see what happens. So proceed with caution. But as the old saying goes, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. The good thing with trading in charts is you can control your risk with stop losses and so forth, so keep that in mind. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and make an investment into your trading education, I'd encourage you to check out our trading course down there. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. Been getting good third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was DMHI. Thanks for listening.